Hello friends, welcome to Bhadra's Academy. So ami jitu JEE karone quizor series start korislu. Aji amar quizor third question to ami disu apunalokor agot. Third question to hudar agot. Ami second quizor ji dugoraki winner ase teulukor naam khini ami kobo bisarisu. So second quizor prothom winner jon hoise Samujjwal Kumar Deka and he is from Morigaon. Aru second jon hoise Prabon Kumar Bordoloi and he is also from Morigaon. So Bhadra's Academy phale pora great congratulations to both of these people and amar phale pora teulukok eta cash prize o dia hoise. So apunaloke eneke preparation kori thakok aru eneke quizor series kita bhag loi thakok. So etia amar third jitu quiz ase jitu amar ajir question hobo. Hetu question ajir dator apunalokor usorat hobo who is considered as the real functional head of India. So amar India real functional head buli ami kuntu position ba kuntu post ot thoka personality consider koru. President, vice president, prime minister or speaker. Sarita optioner bitorot jitu correct answer hobo hetu apunaloke amak submit koribo kuntu numberot 8638391721 ajir date hoy 4th September to apunaloke keneke submit koribo answer to amar yate time limit dia hoise 9 pm or agot apunaloke WhatsApp kori apunalokor ei answer to dibo logote apunalokor naam logote apunalokor address aru apunaloke ei answer to kuntu option hobo he option to apunaloke dibo thik ase. So aji amar quizor etu question asle apunaloke attempt koribo ako ami next video log pam winner hokolor naam ami declare korim ako next quizot thik ase. Okay, thank you very much.